eggs are you sitting on? Hold on, let me see. How many eggs are you harvesting? You can't have this one. Where's the food?
That one. He's scared. He's rolled up into a fire.
Hold on.
I'm gonna blow it this way.
It's going the other way. You should blow it the other way. Get a different one and blow it that way. Okay.
Okay, and now let me blow it this way first.
Okay.
Hi guys.
Making them all go. Hi guys, so I just came in from outdoors, but I have a package that Martha sent me. She sent me a message on Facebook and said she had some supplies. What? Oh, it's a voicemail. I didn't hear my phone ring. Did you?
No.
Me either. about Sissy's appointment. Anyway, stop, please. We just came in from outside. We were doing our chores. Look what I did.
Oh.
I pulled the wrong tab.
Yeah.
So I didn't even open the package. Anyway, so we checked on the babies and fed the goats, and I washed the umbrella.
I just have to let it dry.
Yeah, now we just gotta let it dry.
Toilet.
Oh my goodness.
Toilet paper.
Oh, this is perfect. Thank you.
It's open.
Thank you, Martha. Thank you so much.
How is it open?
Well, it's stabilizer, so it's tearaway. Perfect.
Another one. Perfect.
Oh my gosh. She's having tender touch. You don't know how bad I need that. And water soluble. Thank you so much. You didn't have to send me anything. She had some supplies she said she wasn't using and she wanted to send it to me. So thank you so much. I will definitely, all of this, I can use all of this. I use water soluble on my towels when I embroider out my towels. And I use tearaway on aprons and towels. So thank you so much.
I know how to
and
open
then
it.
I use this on like all my shirts. So thank you. That was so sweet of her. I need to send her a message and let her know I got it. You don't have to open it.
So like,
What do you want for lunch, girl? It is 2:18. I need to feed them some
food?
lunch.
Food.
I don't know why you did that. I told you not to.
But I wanted you to have it open.
Well, I'm just going to put it downstairs, so.
Can I turn the TV back on?
Yes, you may. Yeah, so I'm going to feed us some lunch. I was going to make, hold on one second. Wait till I'm done talking. I was going to make bean soup for dinner. Let's talk about the earrings. Popcorn, hello. I was going to make bean soup for dinner, but I decided not to. I should have started it like this morning, and then I was outside, and then when I come in, I was like, and then Evan was going to bring Belle over, but I'm like, we have Zumba. And I was like, you guys can go to Zumba with me. And so he's like, oh, I don't know, let me ask. And then he was like, does she take Venmo? And I'm like, well, your first one is free. So I don't know if they are or not. So I decided we'll either have Zatarans, because I think I have everything for Zatarans, or we'll get Zaxby's after Zumba. That's just one less thing I have to worry about. My socks are wet from...
Stop talking, Mom.
Oh, you hush! But I made breakfast,
No.
and now I have to figure out what's for lunch. You're gonna eat a pickle for lunch. Thank you. Look what Martha sent me. This is a tearaway stabilizer. I use tearaway on my aprons and my towels. And then, who's excited about this? I'm so excited. Tender touch. And then water soluble stabilizer, which I put on top of the towels when I embroidered them out. So that was so sweet of her. Anyway, oh, I gotta send her a message still. Let her know I got it. And get some lunch, and then I think I might edit for an hour and then do school. So if we do school from 4, by the time it's time to go to Zumba, we should be done with school. It sounds like you're watching a soap opera. Did you get a fork? Yeah. Then I guess your fork is right here. Is he getting the food we left out for him? Hey guys, so it's time for Zumba. I edited my video. Thanks for using the Wi-Fi dash cams. Evan said something about him and Belle coming. First they were gonna come for dinner, but I'm like, I'm not cooking because I was gonna do Zatarain's and oh, she's just being goofy. I thought she had something earlier.
She's just running.
Yeah, she just runs up to random objects and like, yeah. We're talking about Aberdeen the cat. Hey, let me buckle up here, kids. Anyway, so Evan said something about coming to dinner, and that's when I was gonna make bean soup, and now I'm not making bean soup. Then I was gonna make Zatarain's. Hey, look, perfect vlogging angle. What's up? Anyway, so he said something, and I said, well, you guys should come to Zumba. And he was like, then he asked if they took Venmo, and I was like, well, your first lesson is free for Belle, and Evan gets to go for free anyway, because he charmed the Zumba instructor, Miss Jenny. These guys are flying. This is not a racetrack, aren't they? What is it?
You remind me of a Southern woman driving. Get on your side of the road. We all need to learn to drive respectfully.
We do, but they act like it's a racetrack. Like there was 3 of them zooming. Anyway. She just went right on past you. Zumba is over. I'm gonna let my chickies out. Check on the babies. Come on out, girls. And gentlemen. Is that Willie? Are you Willie? Are you Willie? You're Willie. Willie's only got one eye. That's Willie. That's Willie Jr. And the other rooster, I'm calling Jim Bob. How you guys doing? Is the baby's hungry? Let me get him some food. Hi guys. So I finished 3 shirts, 1 apron, and a towel. It is almost 1 a.m. I don't like going to bed this late, but when you have orders to put out, you gotta get them done. I mean, gotta do what you gotta do. And I went to Zumba, so, and my finger's breaking out. Anyway, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. And I will see you all tomorrow. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye, guys. I'm gonna blow it this way.
Oh, it's going the other way. You should blow it the other way. Get a different one and blow it that way. Ugh.
Okay, Mom. For real. Just look at, no, don't get me. Look at it and then cut your camera off and get it all ready, okay?
Okay.
Look at it. Okay, it's finished. Finish.
Okay.
Okay, and now let me blow it this way.
Okay.
Hi, guys.
Look at them all go.
Look, that one's big.
That is a big one, isn't it? Are those flowers or sunflowers?
I don't know. But they're big.
Yeah. Yeah, look at that. They like, what are they feeding me? I think you gonna feed them.
When I spin that to the low.
How's everybody doing? Everybody getting along well? What's that one over there doing? Is that a brooder over there?
Mm-hmm. She's sitting on eggs.
Good eggs or bad eggs?
We don't know yet.
I can hear the baby.
These guys are all drinking. But the water tips, so I was trying to make it flow. I love you.
They're about breaking a lot.
Watch out, she'll peck you. She's got babies now.
Why is she still angry and why is she not leaving?
Well, they're trying to protect their babies. They don't want these. See that chicken over there?
Mm-hmm.
They want to see what kind of baby food they got because they want to eat it.
And so that's why they want to keep their baby safe.
Mm-hmm.
But why not just live down there?
Well, eventually they'll take their babies out, but right now they
What about
I gotta get my camera.